Seems like only yesterday, Jafar was running Agrabah, and I was his right-hand bird. But then he had to go and mess things up. Now, I'm stuck on the outside looking in. I gotta get back into the palace. Back into power.
Well, my dear Abu, shall we see what the common folk are doing today? We have time for a stroll before our audience with the Sultan.
The street rat is living in the palace now? Ah, that does it! All reports are in! Life is now officially unfair! Wait a second here. This is perfect! That kid is my ticket back into power! I'll just get Aladdin on my side with a little sympathy act. And I'll be back in the palace again quicker than you can say Easy Street. Aladdin,
Huh?
kid, finally got free of Jafar.
Iago, what are you doing here?
Where are you? Getting dark. Hold me. Ah! Hey, I meant gentle-like.
You're not fooling anyone.
No, wait, I'm serious. I was under Jafar's power. He mesmerized me with his snake stare. Just like the Sultan.
You traitor, you!
You look familiar.
It's Aladdin.
Where? It is? I knew that. Heard him a lot. Heard him and his monkey and his bird, too.
Treacherous parrot. Look, I'm not with him. Monkey, help! They're after me!
You won't dance out of this one.
That's it! Now I'm mad! Mess with this bird, huh? And I got more where that came from!
My axe! Run! Who will pay for them?
Oh, go away.
Guards! What is the trouble here? It is that thief, Abysmal.